The following message is transmitted by request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Genetically created dinosaur creatures, all created in a way similar to the dinosaurs from the film Jurassic Park, have escaped from a containment facility lab. The escaped creatures currently at large include the following species: Tyrannosaurus rex, Velociraptors, Oviraptors, Stegosaurus, Triceratops, Carnotaurus, and Dilophosaurus. Although only half of the dinosaurs are carnivores, all of them are believed to be very dangerous and will start to cause massive damage to nearby towns. For your safety, the following actions should be taken by all members of the public receiving this broadcast. Remain in your homes, turn off all lights and electronics, and do not leave your home until authorities have given the all-clear. Stay tuned to this or other media outlets for more information on this situation.